Hello guys, so I'm gonna be teaching you how to make paper puppet. First, you need to fold the paper right like this. I'll show you. So look at this. So this is the paper. You need grade to paper because I'm grade. First, you need to fold it like this. See? Wait. You need to fold it. Make sure you the sides. Tapos then you need to fold it again like this. So you can do like airplane. Fold it like this. Then open it. Then fold it. Then fold the side like this. Like this. Then you do the same in the other side. Then see this. You just need to remove this and fold it upwards. Then you see this. You have to fold this. You need to fold this little corner like that, and this. Then you need to do the same thing and fold this again. Fold this again like this. Like this. Nagagwa akong video kung paano na magawa ng puppet para marunong mga bata.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Puppet. Pinapaturo ko.
Marunong kang gumawa ng puppet?
Then, you need to do this. You need to fold this and fold this. Nagagawa nga akong video. Now, you need to do that. Then, you need to open. Since you open you need to fold this like that. Then you have a square like this. Then you have to fold this to here. Fold mo to din eh. I'm Tagalog guys. Nagpro-protect lang akong English. So guys, Tagalog. Magtatagalog na ako. Okay. Tapos garne. Yan. Na-fold nyo na. Tapos yung isa pa din eh. Pa-fold mo din eh. The other side. Mismo. Tapos, bubukahin nyo lang to. Tapos, fold nyo uli katulad ng kanina. Yan. Ganyan na. Tapos, fold nyo to. Papaganyan. Wait lang guys. Nagkamali ako. Garni guys. Yan. Tapos, bubukahin nyo lang to. Tapos, pasukan nyo kamay. Tapos, yan ang inyong puppet. Bye!